New and disturbing revelations tonight about the man accused of that deadly shooting rampage on Metro last week.
Yeah, a Metro employee was killed, 3 other people injured. Those new details, including some insight into Isaiah Trotman's recent mental health concerns, came out in court documents just hours ago.
Our Leonard N. Fleming was there for Trotman's first court appearance, a packed courtroom in Northwest D.C. And Leonard, the judge wasn't taking any chances with all that happened last week. We know he's being held without bail. Tell us about the disturbing details in those court documents.
That's exactly correct. Good evening. The judge ordered Isaiah Trotman held without bond in this courtroom behind me here today. The affidavit provided by the U.S. Attorney's Office shows a terrifying day that could have potentially been made worse.
Authorities say Isaiah Trotman is a danger, and Judge Lloyd Nolan agreed. Trotman, shackled and wearing a gray prison jumpsuit and surrounded by U.S. Marshals, had been hospitalized for mental evaluation. He showed no emotion in court. His attorney made the case that his client wasn't aware of what he was doing, while the prosecutor argued that he was too much of a danger to be released. Police had gone to Trotman's D.C. home 2 weeks prior because he didn't report in for a behavior program. Authorities said in court he did not return phone calls. Court documents say Trotman, on the morning of February 1st, boarded a Metro bus on Pennsylvania Avenue. That's where he encountered his first shooting victim, telling the person he was a prophet and that he was going to die with him before shooting that person in the legs. Then Trotman entered the Potomac Station, dragging his second victim through the turnstile before shooting that person. Trotman then confronted his third victim, according to the affidavit, who was on a call and said, "I'll shoot you, I am God." Then he shot a man wearing a safety vest who was later identified as longtime Metro employee Robert Cunningham. Trotman also faces charges in Pennsylvania for drug-related offenses and hadn't yet been sentenced.
Both the prosecutor and defense attorney did not talk after today's hearing. Trotman is due back in court for a preliminary hearing next week. Reporting from DC Superior Court, Leonard N. Fleming, DC News Now.